Plants, structure and function. Leaves grow from the nodes on a stem. Leaves are generally thin, flat and green in color. The broad spread out part of the leaf is called the leaf blade or lamina, and its edge is called the leaf margin. The tip of the leaf is called the leaf apex. Leaf margins may be entire, dentate or lobed. The leaf apex. It may be tapering, pointed or rounded. Leaves of some plants have a stalk called a petiole. Leaves of some plants do not have a petiole. The portion of the leaf attached to the stem is called the leaf base. Small leaf-like structures may be present near the leaf base. These are called stipules. Leaves of some plants have a single undivided leaf blade and a single midrib. Such leaves are called simple leaves. However, the leaf blade of leaves in some plants is divided into many small parts called leaflets. Such leaves are called compound leaves. In different plants, the arrangement of leaves on the stem is different. It may be alternate, opposite, whorled, spiral, etc. According to shape, leaves are rounded, obovate, palmate, lanceolate, linear, etc. The people leaf is divided into two equal parts by a single midvein, which lies along the midline of the leaf blade. Secondary veins arise from the midvein. They are branched and form a network or reticulum. On the other hand, in leaves of maize, all the veins are parallel, running from the leaf base to the leaf apex. Thus, the people leaf blade has reticulate venation and the maize leaf blade has parallel venation. Flower. Flowers may have a long or a short stalk called pedicel. One end of the pedicel is attached to the stem. The other end of the pedicel is expanded and swollen. It is called the receptacle. Petals and other parts of the flowers are supported on the receptacle. Calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium are different parts of a flower. Let's define calyx. In the bud condition, the petals are covered by leaf-like parts called sepals, which are green in color. They form the calyx. Corolla. This is made up of colorful parts called petals. The shape, color and smell of the corolla of various flowers are different, like the rose, chrysanthemum, hibiscus, mogra, kaneer, tagar, etc. Androecium. This is the male reproductive part of the flower. It consists of stamens. Each stamen is made up of anther and filament. Gynoecium. This is the female reproductive part of the flower. This is made up of carpels. A carpel consists of a stigma, style and ovary. After maturity, anthers burst and the pollen grains which are released fall on the stigma. This process is called pollination. Due to pollination, ovules, egg cells in the ovary get fertilized. Fertilized ovules form the seeds and the ovary develops into a fruit. So, what the fruit is? Fruit. Each type of fruit has its own characteristics. There are variations in their shape, color, taste, etc. Mango contains only one seed, whereas jackfruit consists of many small fruitlets, each with its own seed. Seeds which get divided into two equal parts are called dicotyledonous seeds. Seeds which do not divide into two equal parts are called monocotyledonous seeds.